always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And after light snow fell yesterday, we're officially at 3.3 inches throughout the month of February. That is well below normal. Typically at this point in the month, we should be towards 10 inches. And by the end of the month, we typically see 17.2 inches. February is the third snowiest month that we should have of the year, but certainly doesn't feel like that. And if you step outside, it won't feel like that today either. Storm Track Live showing just our radar. We're clear across the region. A wider view of our satellite shows some clouds working to settle in, but there are some breaks in the clouds for some sunshine today. A cold front up to our north will impact us here shortly, but we do have some time before then. For now, here's a live look over Muskegon. Some sunshine beaming down, that water moving fairly rapidly because of those winds, and that camera shaking because of those winds as well. They're coming from the southwest, and that's helping to feed in some warmer air, so temperatures will be warmer than yesterday. Notice breeziest towards the lakeshore as they build off the lake. 26-mile-per-hour winds in Holland, 14 in Grand Rapids, and only 8 in Kalamazoo. And our temperatures are warmer towards the lake because of that. Our lake temperatures are in the upper 30s right now, and as those winds push over, we're sitting in those mid 30s in Holland and Muskegon, only 28 though in Grand Rapids, and 29 in Hastings. We're in for a pretty quiet weekend out there. Here's kind of a look at our upper air pattern or jet stream. It's kind of what we like to see for quiet weather, moving zonally, which means from west to east. Not too much to talk about only here in West Michigan, but across much of the country, a pretty quiet day ahead of us, and we'll hold on to that quiet weather as we move into Sunday. It'll just be a little bit breezy. That's the only thing to keep an eye on. 38 is your high today with some sunshine. More cloud cover settles into Sunday with a high of 43. We are keeping an eye out for a few flurries that are possible, but overall our temperature pattern over the next several days will be on the warmer side. Our average high sits at 34 degrees, up to 43 on Sunday, and upper to mid 30s by the middle of next week, and we'll even rebound into those 40s by Thursday. Your futurecast does show some patchy clouds again today, on and off with breaks of sunshine. Winds eventually will shift to the south, and it'll feed in some moisture, so that's why we could have a pop-up shower or flurry into early tomorrow morning, but no accumulation is expected. On and off cloud cover for your Sunday before a cold front sweeps through, and that's going to bring a thick layer of clouds as well as potentially some light flurries behind it into your Monday morning. Otherwise, as we look ahead to the week, there's a couple days that you need to keep a close eye on. Those are Wednesday and Thursday, both a 70% chance of seeing several different types of precipitation. And I say precipitation because it could be similar to Thursday with rain, sleet, freezing rain, and snow all possible. That freezing line, or where we see that division from rain to snow, is expected to be right over West Michigan. So it's likely that this system will take shape, and something that we're keeping a very close eye on. Otherwise, when we talk about different types of precipitation, again, we'll kind of focus in on freezing rain. It starts off frozen high up in the atmosphere, hits a warm layer of air, goes back to rain, and then hits our freezing surface, which is how we get that thin layer of ice below the snow. So again, be careful of that this week. 38 is your high today, up to 43 on Sunday. Chances for some light snow through Tuesday, but no accumulation is expected with those. Wednesday and Thursday, though, that'll definitely change. We'll see temperatures plummet into the 30s and 40s, and by next weekend, we'll see a slight cool down with another chance for snow on Saturday.